For our project, we decided to look at loaded versus unloaded rucking. Obviously, the military is a big part of all of our lives, and for the athletic trainers, we're really interested in injury prevention. What we were looking at for this was the difference in ankle angle, trunk angle, and stride length.
So for the protocol for the study, I did a half-mile unweighted warm-up at 7 miles an hour both times. Then I did a weighted run at 4 miles an hour, did a half mile, and then at the last tenth from 0.5 to 0.6 tenths of a mile, I did a 4% incline with a 35-pound ruck, and then plus the added weight of my uniform and boots. And then I did an unweighted in regular civilian clothes, half mile with the last 0.5 to 0.6 tenths of a mile at 4% incline as well. And then when we did our data, we collected data for a whole minute.
We measured 3 different things: stride length, ankle angle, and trunk angle. We measured these criteria on Dartfish because research supports alterations in each of them with Ruck. Our hypothesis was all 3 would be decreased. Our motion capture data supported a decrease of ankle angle with a 35-pound ruck. Our evidence with trunk angle paralleled the ankle angle. There was about a 10-degree difference in trunk angle with weight. Stride length was found to decrease about 1/10 of a meter. This has implications to increasing step frequency. LaFiandra et al. Noted this change to hip excursion, and therefore an increase in cadence in order to keep up with speed.
The thing that our group thought was interesting was the ability to track the angle while making a video.
And you can see
in
the
Dartfish,
angle, learned that the step
to
length
track
is
the angle
decreased
of the
and the
limb,
ankle
put it
angle is
at half
decreased,
speed, and
which
export
can
that
lead
data
to
as a
ankle
video.
overuse injuries. The decrease of trunk angle or forward lean could cause the trunk or back injuries and has implications to weak core muscles, but it could also be
Thank
the
you for
precursor
watching.
to the decreased stride length. It will be interesting to analyze forced upright standing with load carriage and its effects on walk.